A transmission is made up of a complex series of components and gears that are cooled and lubricated by a precise mixture of hydraulic fluid and oil performing together to regulate, then distribute the power generated by the engine to move your wheels. Transmission fluid exchange is vital in protecting against malfunctions or, even worse, a failed transmission. Signs that your transmission is experiencing problems can include slipping or unresponsive gears, leaking fluid, burning smell or loud noises, grinding or shaking, or a check engine light. There are many different types of transmissions, each requiring its own set of preventative maintenance and service requirements. No one knows your vehicle better than our factory-trained service department. Whether it's a fluid check or exchange, road test, inspection or diagnostic, or pan exam, we know exactly what your transmission needs to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.